Hey, you guys got room for a body?
Dude, union suits are so warm.
Is that class 5?
Yeah, I'm in pretty tight with Tribe. You know, Pat, Benny, Rush. Dude, my feet are so gnar.
Can you give me a pro deal on that?
Did you get me on video?
Dude, I'm so broke. Dude, that was some really fun boogie in there. You guys see my blog?
Pretty big cold front moving in.
Wraps are so annoying. Do you have any stickers?
Have you ever longboated it?
That'll keep the bomb down.
Hey, did you see that new Brown Flow video with the bomb claws?
You guys ready?
I couldn't decide between a Tacoma or a Subaru.
You see me totally stomp that boot?
Hey, can we put some dubstep on?
See, my shoes have the best rubber.
Dude, there was a girl at that kayaking party last night.
Can I borrow some water?
Is that a 7D?